Is kraken legit or not? Have you ever wondered if the mythical sea monster, the kraken, is real? Or is it just a legend? In this video, we're going to explore the evidence and see if we can figure out if the kraken is legit or not. The kraken is a mythical sea monster that has been mentioned in literature and folklore for centuries. It is often described as a giant octopus or squid with tentacles that can reach hundreds of feet long. Some people believe that the kraken is real, while others believe that it is just a myth. In this video, we're going to take a look at the evidence and see if we can figure out if the kraken is legit or not. We'll also explore some of the possible explanations for the sightings of the kraken. Evidence for the kraken. There is some evidence that the kraken may be real. For example, there are several historical accounts of sightings of the kraken. In addition, there have been a number of scientific discoveries that suggest the existence of giant squid. One piece of evidence for the kraken is the discovery of the giant squid Architeuthis dux. This squid is the largest known squid in the world, and it can grow up to 53 feet long. While this is not as large as the kraken is often described, it is still a very large creature. Another piece of evidence for the kraken is the discovery of the remains of a giant squid in the stomach of a sperm whale. This squid was estimated to be about 60 feet long, and it was found in the stomach of a sperm whale that was caught off the coast of New Zealand in 2004. Possible explanations for the sightings of the kraken. There are a number of possible explanations for the sightings of the kraken. One possibility is that the sightings were of giant squid. Another possibility is that the sightings were of other large sea creatures, such as whales or sharks. It is also possible that the sightings were simply hallucinations or misidentifications. For example, people may have mistaken a large school of fish for a giant squid. There is no definitive proof that the kraken is real. However, there is some evidence that suggests the existence of giant squid, and there are a number of possible explanations for the sightings of the kraken. Ultimately, whether or not you believe in the kraken is up to you. However, it is important to be aware of the evidence and the possible explanations before making up your mind. If you're interested in learning more about the kraken, I encourage you to do some research on your own. There are a number of books and articles available on the topic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious. Keep your script concise and to the point. You don't want to lose your viewers' attention. Use strong visuals to support your points. Use a conversational tone to make your script more engaging. End your script with a call to action. By following these tips, you can write an engaging YouTube video script that will help you connect with your audience and keep them watching until the end. I hope this helps.